In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices in Hubstaff. This process is straightforward, and with just a few simple steps, you'll be able to send professional invoices with confidence. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. To begin, you'll want to log into your Hubstaff account. Once you're in, navigate to the financials section. You can easily do this by looking at the main navigation bar, where you should find the option labeled Financials. Move your cursor over this section, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Invoices. This is where you'll manage all things related to billing and invoicing. Next, we'll create a new invoice. You'll see a New Invoices button, which is pretty prominent on the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will initiate the process of generating a fresh invoice for your client. Once clicked, you'll be taken to a page where you can fill in all the necessary details that make up the invoice. Now, let's review these details one by one. First off, there's the client information. It's crucial to ensure that the client's details are accurate, as this is where and to whom your invoice will be sent. Check the client's name and business details, verifying that everything is up to date and correct. Next, look at the invoice number. Each invoice should have a unique number, which helps both you and the client track this specific transaction. If a number is automatically generated, double-check it and make adjustments if needed to fit your tracking system. Another important aspect is the due date. The due date specifies when the payment is expected. Decide on a reasonable due date and ensure this is communicated clearly in the invoice. Line items are next on our checklist. These are essentially the breakdown of what services or products you are billing for. Make sure each line item is descriptive, including quantities, unit prices, and the total for each. This will not only make it clear for the client, but also help avoid any potential discrepancies. Once everything looks good and you are satisfied with the invoice details, you'll proceed by clicking Save and Send. This action saves your work and prepares it for delivery to the client. At this point, Hubstaff will prompt you to enter or confirm the recipient's email address. Take a moment to ensure the email address is correct, as an incorrect email could delay payment. Finally, with everything set and verified, all that's left is to click Send. This will dispatch your invoice to the client, and you should receive a confirmation message alerting you that the invoice has been sent successfully. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to send invoices through Hubstaff, streamlining your billing process and ensuring your clients receive detailed, well-structured invoices. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your invoicing.